Paul Kelly, President of Maxiforce, welcoming you to the 2024 PRI show. We're in our new revamped, larger space to accommodate our customers and our friends at PRI. This year, we are launching our line of pickup truck engine overhaul kits and spare parts for Dodge Rams and Cummins engines. Outside of the brands you know from Maxiforce, from John Deere to Caterpillar to Perkins, we are venturing into the pickup truck engine, and we're so happy to launch it this year, including obviously our overhaul kits with pistons and bearings and gaskets and head gaskets, but including turbos, injectors. This is all new to Maxiforce. We are here always listening to our customers. And so here we are this year with pickup truck engine kits and overhaul kits. If you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, please call us or go to maxiforce.com.